How to unsnooze someone on Facebook. So if you want to unsnooze someone on Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, like for example, if you want to snooze someone, then you can go with the three dots of that post and then you can tap on snooze and they will be snoozed, right? Now, if you want to unsnooze that person, then you will have undo on the right side. You can tap on undo and it will be undone. But unfortunately, if you refresh your page and if you don't have the unsnooze button or undo button, then you can go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and here you will have an option of news feed preferences. Tap on that option. If you don't find the news feed option, then you can just tap on content preferences. And under your content preferences, here you will have snooze section. Tap on snooze and here you will have all of the accounts that you have snoozed. So if you snoozed someone, then you can go with end snooze, which is on the right side, and you will be able to unsnooze that person. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.